Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your privacy on LinkedIn, especially when it comes to your phone number, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the latest steps to disable the option for others to discover your LinkedIn profile using your phone number, all from your PC. This guide is based on LinkedIn's most recent update, so you'll have the most up-to-date instructions. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the LinkedIn homepage. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all aspects of your LinkedIn account. On the left-hand side, you'll see several categories. Click on Visibility. This section controls who can see your profile and how people can find you. Within the Visibility section, scroll down until you find Profile Discovery using phone number. Click on it to open more options. Here, LinkedIn allows you to choose who can use your phone number to find your profile. By default, this might be set to everyone or your connections. To maximize your privacy, select the option labeled Nobody. Once you've made this change, your LinkedIn profile will no longer be discoverable by anyone using your phone number. This is a simple but effective way to ensure your personal contact information isn't being used to connect your professional profile to people you may not know. Remember, keeping your privacy settings up to date is crucial in today's digital world. LinkedIn regularly updates its features, so it's a good idea to review your settings every few months. That's it. You've just learned how to disable discovering your LinkedIn profile by phone number on your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on protecting your privacy and getting the most out of your LinkedIn experience. Thanks for watching. Thanks for